Hey everybody, Ben here with Diesel Power Products, and today we are talking about this Bosch pressure relief valve for the 5.9 Common Rail engine. That's going to be 2003 to 2007 for you Dodge Ram guys. So if you think you may be experiencing some issues with your pressure relief valve, which means it may have low fuel rail pressure, and you're leaning towards the valve, this is going to be the stock replacement. There are options out there which are race valves, which basically don't bleed off any pressure, which we have videos on. But if you're wanting to replace it with the stock option that will allow the rail to bleed off pressure, this is going to be the unit for you. So here's a little bit of a backyard tech tip as far as diagnosing it. If you think that your pressure relief valve is bleeding off pressure too soon, one of the ways you can check is at idle. Here's your pressure relief valve. It's screwed onto the rail. You're going to want to unbolt the line going into the pressure relief valve and look. If you look inside there and at idle it's producing fuel, this is not working anymore. This is supposed to relieve pressure usually around like the 23, 24, 25, 26,000 psi. At idle you're going to be around, I don't know, 6,000 to 7,000 psi. So if you're bleeding out pressure with this thing at idle, it's definitely time to replace it. As far as other possible issues going on with the truck, and I'm not one to throw parts at a truck, but as a common failure point, pressure relief valves do go bad over time. These trucks are getting older, so if you've done some diagnosing and you think that might be the culprit, a Bosch stock replacement pressure relief valve is never a bad idea. If you have any questions on this or want to make sure that you're going in the right direction, we have sales technicians who are very well versed as far as fuel supply issues go, especially on the 5.9 Common Rails. Do not hesitate, reach out. Call us. We've got sales technicians on the phone, 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time, Monday through Friday. We've also got the online chat feature. We've got social medias. We've got email. Whatever works for you, give us a shout, and we'll do the best we can to steer you in the right direction and get you diagnosed right the first time. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.